Hi friends, Mimi here. Now, just so you know, you are in the right space. We have just changed our name and we are the same content, same fun activities. Just wanted to do a name change so it's easier for you to find us. Some people were telling us that when they put in kids stories and more, it wouldn't come up to our channel. So you are in the right spot. We're going to do some fun sign language. Now we've been through the whole alphabet and I'm hoping you've been practicing so you got that behind you. We're going to do some words and some phrases today. Now let's start with some greetings. When you see someone you know or meet someone new, what do you say? That's right, hello. So very simple. Take your hand. That's it. From your head. Hello. Try it with me. Hello. Easy, right? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to learn the word please. It's a magic word. Remember from our manners, please. You're going to take your hand and just rub your chest. Once around. Please. Please. You try it. Please. Very good, very good. Now, when you meet someone new, you're going to want to tell them who you are. My name is, right? So you're going to say my, you're going to take your hand, put it to your chest, my. The word name is taking two letter H's, remember we learned the letter H, we're going to do it on both hands, and tap them twice. Name. My name. You don't have to worry about the word is, it's implied. And then you'll use that alphabet that I taught you already to spell out your name. So in my case, it would be Mimi. It would be M-I-M-I. So if we put it together, it would be my name is Mimi. My name is, you try it. Now, if your name was John or Stephen or Shirley, you would spell out those names, of course. You wouldn't spell out Mimi. Okay? So next time you meet someone, you say, hello, my name is, try it. Now, we've learned please, but there's another magic word. When someone gives you something, what do you say? Meatball? No, it's not meatball. That's right, you say thank you. So thank you is taking your hand, put it to your chin, and extending it to the person in front of you. Thank you. Some people even put out a hand and say, thank you. Can you do that? Real quick and easy. Thank you. So we have please and thank you. So next time somebody gives you something, you should always say what? That's right, thank you. One more thing. We learned the word please, but we didn't learn how to ask for something. So let's say you wanted a glass of milk. Pretty easy. You'd say, please, I, like the letter I, it's the word I want. You're going to take your hands towards the person, and as you're pulling them back, close them up. I want, and then if you were doing milk, it would be like milking a cow. I want milk. Please, I want milk. And you can do that for anything you'd like. And then of course, once you get that cup of milk, what do you say? Thank you. Well, thank you for joining us, and I hope you learned. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm so silly, Mimi. One last thing. Before you go to bed at night, and if somebody does something wonderful for you, what are you going to say to mommy, daddy, your best friend? You're going to tell them what? Those three little words that we all love to hear? I love you. And it's very simple. You don't have to spell anything out. There's a symbol. You have your pinky up, your pointer finger, and your thumb. The other two fingers are down. This means I love you. And we do. We love all our subscribers and all of you that come in to tune in and watch our videos. So we hope you come back for more of Mimi and DeeNice, and we'll see you soon. Hit that like button. Bye-bye.
DeeNice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.